Hello friends, clients and colleagues. Welcome to Audiologic. Today I'm going to talk to you about tinnitus. Do you hear any ringing, cicada-like noise or buzzing or some other type of noise in your ears? It may be in one ear, both, or more centrally in the head. It may be intermittent or constant, or some people even report hearing multiple different sounds throughout the day. Tinnitus is present in approximately 20% of the population. And most commonly, it is found in those that do have a hearing loss, from some sort of hearing damage, maybe age-related hearing loss, or from noise-induced hearing loss. There are a few different theories as to where tinnitus comes from, but the most common theory is that it comes from the cochlea, which is the organ of hearing in the inner ear. Inside this organ are thousands of hair cells, and on the end of each hair cell are tiny hair-like projections. We believe that these move around, bend, and may break over time as the hair cells deteriorate from damage. And this may give off the buzzing sound that you hear inside your ears. When there are no other sounds around you, like environmental sounds, the tinnitus can sound louder, and it can be very bothersome for some. The majority of tinnitus sufferers have at least some degree of hearing loss, and therefore a hearing test is strongly recommended by an audiologist, and hearing aids should be considered. There is no cure for tinnitus. We can't change the loudness or the pitch of it, but we can try to train the brain into not focusing on it. If you do hear tinnitus, it is important that you see an audiologist to have a diagnostic hearing assessment carried out, along with finding out your hearing thresholds and doing a full assessment. The audiologist will also discuss with you tinnitus management techniques. These techniques, along with counselling and some other tools, may be very effective in managing your tinnitus.
Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to give your support to the channel, and hit the bell icon too, so that you don't miss out on the next new video. Audiologic, premium hearing care.